Good morning, children. I hope you all have finished your homework, that is practice set question 1 and 2. Today we will learn about the property of the angle bisectors of a triangle. For that, first we have to draw any triangle PQR. Let us draw triangle PQR. So here we have drawn triangle PQR. Now use a compass to draw the bisectors of all three of its angles. We have learnt how to draw an angle bisector in the previous class. Let us start with angle PQR. Now place the tip of compass on point Q and draw an arc on the segment QP. Similarly, draw one more arc on segment QR. Placing the tip of the compass on the arc, draw one more arc inside the triangle. Now draw a line passing through the intersecting point of the arcs. Properly you have to draw, children. Similarly, we are drawing angle bisector for PRQ. In the same way, we will draw for the third angle, angle QPR. So here we have drawn angle bisectors for all three sides of triangle PQR, and you can see that they meet at one point, that is, the angle bisectors are concurrent. You can see the point of concurrence. We will name this point of concurrence as I. So this is the point of concurrence. Note that the point of concurrence of the angle bisectors of a triangle is in the interior of the triangle. See, it is inside the triangle. Now draw perpendiculars IA, IB and IC. Perpendiculars, children, we have learnt that perpendicular means 90-degree angle. If we draw perpendiculars onto the sides of triangle PQ, QR and PR, then measure the lengths of these perpendiculars. If you measure the length of these perpendiculars, IA is equal to IB is equal to I see.